Welcome to a how-to video brought to you by Dakota Lawn & Landscape. I am Pearson Painter, and today we'll be changing the license plate lights on a 2003 Ford F250 pickup truck. The lighting housing, as you will see shortly, is the same on many other pickup truck years and models. For this job, you will need a flathead screwdriver and possibly a pair of pliers. The total cost of this repair is $19.12. The total time actually needed to do this job is 5 to 10 minutes. And as long as you know the difference between a flathead screwdriver and a Phillips screwdriver, you will be good to go. For step 1, you need to locate the lights located on the outside of the rear bumper of the truck and the wires connected to the back of the lights on the inside of the rear bumper. In this video, my wires have been disconnected, and that's why they're being replaced today, but yours will probably still be attached. For step 2, use a flathead screwdriver or a pair of pliers and release the pressure tabs located on each side of the lights. Once both pressure tabs have been relieved, go ahead and push the light through to the outside of the bumper. At this point, the wires should still be connected to the lights, but if they are not, like mine in the video, go ahead and push the wires through to the outside of the bumper as well. If you guys are finding this how-to tutorial brought to you by Dakota Lawn & Landscape helpful, go below and hit that like button so that this video can help out others as well. For step 3, we will need to be on the outside of the bumper. Remove the old lights and wiring harness so that you are left with just the factory adapter. For longevity and protection against moisture and rust, add some dielectric grease to the contacts. Next, you will insert the contacts on the new lights into the old adapters. After the lights get pushed in and rotated into place in the old adapters, ensure that the lights are stable in the adapters, and then simply push the light back into the bumper and listen for the pressure tabs to click. With every step in this how-to video, both actions will be repeated the same on both sides. These license plate lights did come off of Amazon, and the link for them will be in the description below, so go ahead and check that out if you would like to order the exact same for the exact same price. If you guys liked this tutorial, thought it was easy or helpful, please go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for future how-to videos, and if you have both of them installed, then just go ahead, turn on the truck, give the lights power, and make sure they both work. If both of them turn on, you are good to go. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.